In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use rules in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a robust accounting software that can streamline your financial processes. And creating rules is a simple yet powerful feature that can save you time and effort by automating repetitive tasks. First, let's start by navigating to Zoho's website. Open your preferred web browser and type Zoho in the search bar. You should see Zoho, Cloud Software Suite for Businesses in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link. This will direct you to Zoho's homepage, where you'll find a variety of their products and services. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, look for Access Your Apps and click on it. This will show you all the applications that you have under your Zoho account neatly arranged. From the list, find and select Books. This action will navigate you to the Zoho Books dashboard. Now that you're in Zoho Books, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on Banking. This will take you to a page where your bank transactions are managed, showcasing a detailed overview of your financial activities. Here, the next step is to choose your bank account from the options provided. Selecting a bank account is essential as it sets the context for the rules you will create, ensuring they apply to the appropriate transactions. After selecting your bank account, look for a settings icon within the banking section. You'll usually find this represented by a small gear symbol. Click on it to access various configuration settings. Here, you'll find Manage Transaction Rules. Click on this option to proceed to the section where you can view and configure transaction rules. In the Transaction Rules section, you'll notice an option to New Rule. Clicking on this allows you to create a rule from scratch. This is where the fun begins. You can define specific criteria for the rule, such as transaction type, amount range, or description keywords. This feature is especially useful if you routinely handle similar transactions that you'd like to automate. Once you've added all the necessary details for the rule, you simply click on Save to ensure your rule is stored and active. Zoho Books will now automatically apply this rule to incoming transactions that meet the specified criteria, categorizing and organizing them as per your instructions. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create and use rules in Zoho Books. By setting up these rules, you can automate part of your bookkeeping process, reducing errors and saving valuable time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on making the most out of Zoho Books and other tools.